Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am sharing with you creamy kebab recipe. In a chopper, add half kg mutton mince and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half cup of fresh coriander leaves, 4 green chilies chopped, 2 tablespoons of whole spices powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil and 3 tablespoons of cream. Now add 1 medium onion finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of cashew nut and almond powder. Now blend well until well combined. Now you can see the mixture of mince. Add cold smoke for 4 to 5 minutes maximum.
After 5 minutes, take out cold from mince. Grease your hands with oil. Take a mince mixture and make kebab. Make kebabs of equal size. Now you can see it's ready to cook. Heat the pan and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Add kebabs one by one. Cook on low flame for 3 to 4 minutes each side. And please avoid turning side again and again. After 4 minutes, now turn the side carefully and cook again 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. After 4 minutes, you can see it's ready to eat. Now turn out from the pan. Now creamy kebab is ready. Try it, love it and eat it and tell me how it is. Please like the video and share and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.